In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new records on the top of a continuous form in Microsoft Access. By the end, you'll have a smooth, spreadsheet-like entry experience right at the top of your form without sending users to a separate data entry screen. Start by opening Microsoft Access and the database that contains your continuous form. We'll work directly on that form, so open it in Design View. If you're in Layout View, switch to Design so you can adjust sections and add event logic. This gives you full control over the header, the detail area, and the controls we're about to create. Next, expand the form header section. In Design View, you'll see the form header bar. Drag it down to create room. This header will act like a dedicated data entry row that stays pinned at the top while your existing records scroll below. Now add unbound controls in the header. Use text boxes, combo boxes, or date pickers that mirror the fields in your table, but leave their control source blank. These should be unbound. Give them clear names like text new title or CBO new category so your code is easy to read. For combos, set the row source so users can pick from valid values. Align the controls with the columns in the detail section for a clean, consistent look. Place a save button next to those header controls. Name it something like CMD Save New and adjust the caption to save. Keep it close to the entry fields to make the workflow obvious. Type at the top, then click Save. With the button selected, open the property sheet, go to the Events tab, and add VBA in the onClick event. In that click handler, read the values from your unbound controls, validate anything required, and then create a new record in the form's underlying table, either with an insert into SQL statement or a DAO record set add new. After saving, clear the unbound controls so they're ready for the next entry, then requery the form so the new record appears immediately. To show new items at the top, ensure the form is sorted descending by a field like an auto number ID or created date. You can set the order by and order by onload properties accordingly, or apply it in the same click routine. Finally, set focus back to the first header control so users can keep entering data without touching the mouse. Save your form, return to form view and test. Type into the header, click save, and confirm the new record lands at the very top. That's it. Fast, clear, and user-friendly data entry right where your users need it.